Hi, everybody, it's Adam. Something's different. You're right, something is different today. Today, I am wearing a mask. I can't see your mouth. I know. Masks actually help prevent a lot of air and spit and things from spreading places. So at school, people are going to be wearing masks a lot, but it's still me. Are you sure you're not a spy? No, I'm not a spy. Are you ready? Yep. Oh, it is you. Yep, it's still me. I'm just wearing a mask. And it's something that you might have to get used to around school. But what if I don't recognize you? If you don't recognize me, you can say, "Who are you again?" Or you can ask a question and say, "What is your name?" And then I can help you. Oh, okay. But it's not scary? Nope, it's not. It's really soft. You want to touch it? Yep. It's just a cloth. Yep, it's a cloth mask. But again, this is so I don't have any COVID-type germs that get spread. Okay. If you're scared or if you see people with masks, it's okay. You're right. It is okay. It's still the same person underneath, but they have to wear it because they're going to be at school with kids. It's kind of hanging off your ear. It is hanging off my ear, but it's okay. It's just a mask. Okay, it's just a mask. Have a good day.